Are you curious about what really motivates men and unlocks their potential? In this video, I'll reveal 8 psychological facts about men that will uncover the mysteries of male behavior. Welcome to snapreads, and I've been studying the psychology of men for years. The things I'm about to share with you are not based on groundless assumptions, but on deep research that I have conducted and verified multiple times. So if you want to understand why your man behaves in a certain way or how to motivate him, stay tuned because you will find out some surprising yet valuable insights into male psychology. The psychology of attraction. When it comes to attraction, both men and women are influenced by a complex interplay of psychological factors. However, there are certain aspects that are particularly relevant to understanding the male mind. One of these is the preference for physical attractiveness. Research suggests that men are more visually driven when it comes to selecting a partner. This preference for physical beauty is rooted in evolutionary psychology, as it signals good health and fertility. Aside from physical appearance, men are also attracted to other qualities such as confidence, intelligence, and a sense of humor. These traits can be seen as indicators of a woman's ability to provide and care for potential offspring. Additionally, men are often drawn to women who display signs of availability and receptiveness, as this enhances their chances of successful courtship. Understanding the psychology of attraction can help women navigate the dating world with greater insight. By focusing on qualities that men find attractive, they can increase their chances of forming meaningful connections. The male brain versus the female brain. While men and women may appear similar on the surface, their brains are wired differently. These differences in brain structure and function can influence various aspects of behavior and cognition. For example, research has shown that men have a larger amygdala, a part of the brain associated with emotional processing. This may explain why men tend to be less expressive about their emotions compared to women. Another notable difference is the size of the corpus callosum, which is the bundle of nerve fibers that connects the brain's 2 hemispheres. Men generally have a smaller corpus callosum, which means they rely more on localized brain processing rather than integrating information from both sides of the brain. This may contribute to differences in how men and women approach problem-solving and decision-making. Understanding these brain differences can help women appreciate that men may have different ways of thinking and processing information. By recognizing and respecting these differences, women can foster better communication and understanding in their relationships with men. The science of love and relationships. Love is a complex emotion that has fascinated humans for centuries. When it comes to romantic relationships, men and women often have different perspectives and needs. Understanding these differences can lead to more fulfilling and harmonious relationships. Research suggests that men tend to fall in love more quickly than women. This may be due to their strong visual orientation and the role of physical attraction in sparking romantic interest. On the other hand, women may take longer to develop feelings of love as they tend to prioritize emotional connection and compatibility. In terms of relationship dynamics, men often value independence and autonomy. They may need space and time alone to recharge and pursue their own interests. Women, on the other hand, tend to prioritize emotional intimacy and connection. They may seek reassurance and support from their partners more frequently. By recognizing and accepting these differences, couples can create a more balanced and harmonious relationship. Open communication, understanding, and compromise are key to building a strong foundation of love and trust. The psychology behind male behavior. Men's behavior is influenced by a combination of biological, psychological, and social factors. One key factor is the impact of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Testosterone plays a crucial role in shaping male behavior, including aggression, competitiveness, and risk-taking. The competitive nature of men can be traced back to evolutionary psychology. In the ancestral environment, men had to compete for resources, territory, and mates. This competitive drive is deeply ingrained in the male psyche and can manifest in various ways, from career ambition to sports and hobbies. Additionally, societal expectations also play a role in shaping male behavior. Men are often socialized to be strong, independent, and stoic. This can lead to a reluctance to express vulnerability or seek help when needed. Understanding these societal pressures can help women approach men with empathy and understanding, creating a safe space for open communication. Body language cues and their meanings. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in human interaction, and men are no exception. Understanding male body language cues can provide valuable insights into their thoughts, feelings, and intentions. One common body language cue displayed by men is open and expansive postures. This includes standing with shoulders back and chest out, which signals confidence and dominance. On the other hand, closed-off postures such as crossed arms or legs suggest defensiveness or discomfort. Eye contact is another important aspect of male body language. Maintaining strong eye contact can convey confidence and interest, while avoiding eye contact may indicate shyness or disinterest. By paying attention to these subtle cues, women can gain a better understanding of how men feel and what they're trying to communicate non-verbally. This can help bridge the gap in communication and foster a deeper connection. The impact of societal expectations on men. Society's expectations of masculinity can have a profound impact on men's psychological well-being and behavior. From a young age, boys are often taught to be strong, independent, and emotionally stoic. This can create pressure to conform to societal norms and suppress emotions. Men may feel the need to project an image of strength and invulnerability, even when they are struggling internally. This can lead to a lack of emotional expression and difficulty seeking help or support. Understanding the impact of societal expectations can help women approach men with empathy and compassion. Creating a safe and non-judgmental space for men to express their emotions can foster healthier relationships and emotional well-being. Psychological differences between men and women in communication. Men and women often have different communication styles and preferences. Understanding these differences can help women navigate conversations with men more effectively. Research suggests that men tend to be more direct and task-oriented in their communication. They often prioritize problem-solving and offer solutions rather than focusing on emotional support. Women, on the other hand, may be more inclined to share their emotions and seek empathy and understanding. It's important to recognize that these differences are not absolute and can vary from person to person. However, by understanding and adapting to these communication styles, women can enhance their interactions with men and foster better understanding. Understanding male emotions and vulnerability. Contrary to popular belief, men do experience a wide range of emotions. However, societal expectations and cultural norms often discourage men from expressing their emotions openly. Men may feel pressure to maintain a facade of strength and stoicism even when they're hurting inside. This can lead to suppressed emotions and difficulties in forming deep emotional connections. Creating a safe and non-judgmental space for men to express their emotions is crucial. Encouraging open and honest conversations about feelings can help men feel more comfortable and supported in their vulnerability. By fostering emotional intimacy, women can strengthen their relationships with men and create a foundation of trust and understanding. Men are complex beings with unique psychological traits and behaviors. Understanding these psychological facts can help decode their behavior, bridge the gap in communication, and foster healthier relationships. From the psychology of attraction to the impact of societal expectations, each aspect offers valuable insights into the male mind. By recognizing and appreciating these differences, women can navigate their relationships with men with greater understanding and empathy. So go ahead and apply these eye-opening psychological facts to unlock the mysteries of the male mind and enhance your connections with the opposite sex. Remember, when it comes to the complexities of human behavior, knowledge is power.